Continuing with the topic valuation of goodwill. Today we will learn fourth method. First method we have learned simple average profit method. Second we have learned weightage average profit method. And third, what we had seen in the last period is super profit method. And today the last method which we are going to learn is capitalized of profit method. Now capitalized of profit method means capitalized value of average profit on the basis of expected rate of return. Means how much rate of return you want on the profit, the capital which we employ in that when you get profit. So it is the capitalized value of average profit on the basis of expected rate of return. Formula which is given, capitalized profit means expected profit or average profit upon expected rate of return multiply by 100. Capitalized profit is compared with capital employed in the business. Means how much profit you will earn, then you will compare the capital how much you have invested in the business. So capitalized profit which you will get according to this formula in the sum, then you will compare that profit with capital employed in the business. And how much capital you have invested, according to that you will make the comparison work. So the formula for goodwill here is capitalized profit which you are going to get here, that is capitalized profit minus capital employed. If capitalized profit is more than the capital employed, you will get goodwill. The difference amount you are going to get as goodwill. But children, if capitalized profit is less and capital employed is more, then you will get in minus, and negative means goodwill does not exist. Goodwill will not exist. In short, you don't have to remember everything, only you have to see that capitalized profit minus capital employed. If you get some figure, then it is the value of goodwill. But if you get the answer in minus, negative, then goodwill does not exist. So this is the introduction for the topic capitalization of profit method. So here we are first going to find out the profit and then do the comparison work as per the formula. So you have to learn the formulas, that is expected profit or average profit whichever is given upon rate which will be given in percentage and multiply by 100. And capitalized profit you will compare with the capital employed. So if you get the answer in positive, that is plus, that will be the value of goodwill. But if you get the answer in minus, when you subtract, you will get the difference in minus, negative or zero, then we can say that there is no goodwill in the business. So this is the introduction which you will refer page 97. Now the exercise question 10. Question 10 is capitalized method, what we are going to do today. So on top we will write question 10, you will write statement showing computation of goodwill. In all the methods you have to write the heading first. So here you are going to write the heading, that is statement showing computation of goodwill. The format is same, step number you will write particulars and amount. So our first step is capital employed. How much capital you have invested in the business. So that is known as capital employed. employed. And that we know, I have shown you by drawing the balance sheet. All the assets minus liability. And whatever the difference you get, that is net asset or capital employed. So here children, in this question, assets minus liability. Assets are given 6 lakhs minus liability is given 1,70,000. So the difference amount what we will get is capital employed, and that is 4,30,000. 4,30,000 you have invested in the business. Now second step is expected rate of return, which is given in the question. How much rate of return you want? How much you want to earn? When you are going to invest 4,30,000, how much you want to earn? So how much is our expectation? Our expectation is 10%. 10%. The third step is, here we are going to use weightage average method. As profit is increasing, as I told you that in simple and weighted method, the method will be given or will not be given. If it is given, then you have to work out as per the instruction given. But if the method is not given, then looking at the profit is increasing every year, you can see. First is 1 lakh, then 1,40,000, then 1,30,000, 1,50,000. Sorry, question number 10, profit is 45,000, 50,000, 65,000, 75,000 and 90,000. You can see the profit is going on increasing, and because the profit is going on increasing, we will use weightage average method. And in weightage average method, as we have done previously, profit you will give weight 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you will multiply and do the total of weight, and you have to do the total of profit and weight, whatever you get. So I have written in this form sigma PW, that is the total of profit multiplied by weight, and sigma W, that is total of weight given, weightage given, how much weightage you have given. So the total you will get is 10,90,000 divided by 50. The weight total is 50. You will get the answer 72,667. This much 72,667 is your profit, is your weighted profit. Fourth step is our capital profit. Capital profit means weighted average profit. This formula, average profit divided by expected rate of return in percentage. So weighted average profit is 72,667, and 10% is our expected rate multiplied by 100. You will get 7,26,670. So 7,26,670 is your capital profit. Is your capital profit, which I found out from the formula. So how much capital profit you are earning? 7,26,670. Now according to the formula which is given, the formula, second formula what is given, this is first formula and this is second formula. So second formula, you will get capital profit minus capital employed. So our capital profit is 7,26,670 minus capital employed, that is 4,30,000. So children, here you can see how much capital I have invested in the business, 4,30,000, and how much profit I earned, 7,26,670. So what will be the value of goodwill? The value of goodwill will be 2,96,670. So in this way, in this method, you have compared capital profit and now question 11. In question 11, capitalized super profit method is given. Capitalized super profit method is given. So same as we have done super profit, and the steps are first as it is capital employed. Same, everywhere same. How much capital we have made the investment in the business. Capital employed 9 lakhs. What is the expected rate? 12%. So what is your expected profit? That is capital employed upon percentage. Upon percentage, you will get 1,08,000. Then average profit. This 7 lakh total of in question 11 you can see the profit is going on increasing, decreasing. So which method of valuing profit we are going to use? Simple average method. And by simple average method you will do the total of 5 years profit. So what is the total of 5 years profit? 7 lakhs. And divide by number of years. So you will get average profit 1,40,000. Now fifth point, it is super profit method. We have done super profit method formula. What is super profit method formula? Average profit minus expected profit. So our average profit we have found out of 1,40,000. And what was our expected profit? 1,08,000. So what is your super profit? 32,000. Very simple children. Average minus expected. Kitna, how much I wanted? I wanted only 1,08,000. But when you calculated, how much you got it? I got 1,40,000. So what is the difference? 32,000. It is super profit. Over and above expected profit. Over and above expected profit is known as super profit. So this is 32,000 is your super profit. Now goodwill. This is the mark star for this. The formula which we are going to use here is super profit upon expected rate percentage. So our super profit is 32,000 and expected rate of profit was how much? 12%. So multiply by 100. Here the value of goodwill will be 2,66,667. You will get in some decimal point, but we will make the round figure. So this is about one new formula which we are going to use. When you are using super profit method, it is given in the question that you have to find out goodwill according to capitalized super profit method. So when you are going to use super profit method, you are going to use the formula of super profit, that is average minus expected profit, and goodwill equal to super profit upon rate in percentage. So you will find out the value of goodwill. In this way, we will finish all 4 topics about the valuation of goodwill. The last question is simple one, which is given to you according to the super profit method. As per the purchase 2 years. So you have to find out after year super profit method, and then whatever profit you get, you have to multiply by 2 years. How much is the purchase years? 2 years. So according to that, you will find out the value of goodwill. I'll continue. Last question. Only 2 minutes. Last question. Same method, no change, and just work out for you as you have to do homework today. In the last question, children, capital employed is 8 lakhs. Same format showing question type. Statement showing. Statement showing computation of goodwill. Then step number step number 1 is capital employed. So capital employed here is capital employed. Capital employed is 8 lakhs. Capital employed is 8 lakhs. And the second step, as usual, what is the rate of return? Second, rate of return in percentage. How much percentage you want to return? 12%. On 8 lakhs rupees, I want 12% returns. Then in third, expected profit. How much profit you want? Expected profit is equal to capital employed multiplied by percentage. That is, I'll write here, multiplied by returns. Return percentage. Okay. So capital employed is 8 lakhs. And how much return you want on this? 12%. So you will get return here as 1 lakh 96,000. Here you will get 96,000. So this much you want. How much I wanted? 96,000. Then the fourth step, same as we are going to find out average profit. So average profit here also, by simple method, you will do the total of profit. So when you do the total of profit for 3 years, here also children, first year is 1,20,000, then 90,000 and then 1,50,000. The profit is increasing, then decreasing, then increasing. So here we will use simple average method. And in simple average method, when you do the total, you will get 3,60,000 and it is for 3 years. You are going to divide by the number of years. So number of years is 3 lakhs. So your profit will be 1,20,000. So what is this? This is your average profit. Now next step is super profit. Super profit. So super profit, now we know the formula. What is the super profit formula? Average profit minus expected profit. So what is our average profit? 1,20,000. And what was our expectation? 96. How much I wanted? 96,000. So what over and above excess what you got? That is 24,000. This is your super profit. Because you have earned more than the expectation. And the sixth point is goodwill. Sixth point is goodwill. So goodwill equal to super profit multiplied by purchase years. In this sum, purchase years is given. So super profit is 24,000 multiplied by how many purchase years they have given? 2. So when you multiply by 2, you will get your 48,000, the value of goodwill. You will get 48,000, the value of goodwill. Very simple sum. Only you have to learn the format. Only you have to learn the format. In exam, 4-mark question, mostly capitalized method and super profit method is asked. So once again, I want to tell you, number 1, capital employed, rate of return, expected profit, that is capital employed multiplied by returns. You will get this much. Average profit and super profit means average profit minus expected profit. And here because purchase years is given, super profit multiplied by number of years, you will get the value of goodwill. So in this way, we have completed chapter number 3, valuation of goodwill. From exam point of view, factors affecting goodwill is asked in the theory part. Then 3-mark question from simple and weightage average. Simple and weightage average method, 3-mark question is asked. And 4-mark question is asked for these 2 last method. So in this method, you have to learn the format which is given on page. So homework, please note down, assignment homework. Homework, you will do all the sums. Homework, exercise sums and illustrations. Learn and write format given on page 95 and 98. Also write question 1. Select the correct answer. Question 1. So, this is the assignment given which you have to learn and write. Any doubts? Skip it. We will solve. So, this is the homework given. Exercise sums and illustrations. All which are given. Also, learn and write format given on page 95 and 98. The format is given for super profit and capitalized method. And also write question 1. It is an optional question. Okay.